The much-awaited Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival 2025 has been officially announced and is set to take place on the 14th and 15th of November 2025. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh made the announcement today, revealing a host of new features and major international acts lined up for the event. The festival will return to its original venue at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong, with additional activity zones at the MFA ground and the SRGT ground.
Cherry Blossom Festival 2025, scheduled for the 14th and 15th of November 2025. We've already announced main headliners. Jason Derulo, who is ranked among the top 10 male performers of all time, in the same list with Michael Jackson. The Script, which is a top UK band, regarded as second only to Coldplay. During the festival, we will also be introducing for the first time synchronized LED wristbands for all attendees. And we will also be encouraging walking as a way of life. So the movement towards the venue will be strictly purely pedestrian movement, and all attendees, we will begin by making and declaring the entire stretch of road starting from Hotel Pinewood down to Wards Lake up to the polo grounds as purely a pedestrian zone for the 2 days of the festival. We have decided to this year shift it to Shillong because of multiple factors, including accommodation and transportation, and also to in tune with the fact that Shillong is recognized as the music capital of the country.
Yeah. So this year we are limiting footfall. As you are aware, Polo is not as big as Madan Kurkalang, but we're limiting footfall to 30,000 a day. And the reason we're doing that is because we want to improve the experience of the festival goers. Tickets will be slightly more expensive. As you can see, we have two big headliners on a single day. But the idea is to level up with international standards, and the only way to do it is to get into the stadium and go for maximum production value and enhance maximum attendee experience at the Cherry Blossom Festival. Apart from the JN Stadium, we'll also be using the MFA ground and the SRGT ground for the festival experiences. So it's a multi-venue festival.
In a major boost to the state's tourism credentials, Meghalaya bagged two prestigious awards at the WOW Awards Asia 2024, with the Cherry Blossom Festival winning gold for Special Event of the Year and the Megong Festival securing gold for Festival of the Year. Highlighting the festival's impact, Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the state had invested Rs 23.5 crore across festivals in the year 2024, generating a record Rs 133.42 crore in economic returns. The events attracted nearly 4 lakh visitors, with 100% hotel occupancy in Shillong and Sora, Rs 16.8 crore in aviation earnings, and over Rs 5 crore from cab services alone.
The state government got Gold Award for the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival 2024, special event of the year for the government. This is a Pan-Asian award. And we also got Gold Award for Culture in Full Bloom. Festival of the Year. In the past year, the state government had invested 23.5 crores as part of support to various festivals, and in turn, we generated a total economic stimulus of 133.42 crores, which is roughly about 6 times the return on our investment. Total attendees to the festivals reached 3.86 lakh attendees, 60,000 organic social posts, 20 million reel views, and in terms of the economic stimulus, revenue from ticket sales was 29.1 crore, hotel revenue 33.8 crores, allied activities including transport, F&B, local shopping 37.1 crore, F&B, food and beverages 6.9 crores, event expenses was 18 crores. Employment and livelihoods generated was 5,509 daily jobs across event value chains, which has benefited youths, artisans, and the informal sector. There has been an interest shown in Meghalaya from across the world, and within India, the pan-India reach was 1762 visitors from Maharashtra, 224 from Odisha, besides other states. In terms of the boom to the hotel industry, the hospitality industry, there was full occupancy in Shillong and Saura, contributing nearly 27% of the total stimulus. 18,000 plus tourists traveled by air, generating an aviation revenue of 16.80 crore. Cab services earned 5.38 crores. For every 1 rupee spent on tickets, we yielded an additional 334 rupees across hospitality, travel, dining, and local shopping. As far as the digital and community impact is concerned, there were activities that led to the growth of what we call an inclusive ecosystem, benefiting women-led home kitchens, local artisans, micro enterprises, and these equitably help to spread economic benefits.
To manage traffic and enhance the visitor experience, the stretch from Hotel Pinewood to Polo Grounds will be converted into a pedestrian-only zone. Amid concerns of cultural dilution, the minister reiterated the festival's role in promoting local talent, noting that many tribal musicians now earn livelihoods through such platforms. He also emphasized the importance of sustainability, announcing that awards will be given to localities with the highest cherry blossom tree plantations.
And the fact that we will now have the entire stretch from Hotel Pinewood up to the Polo Ground as a pedestrian zone means that the traffic congestion will be minimized, people will be encouraged to walk, and while they walk, they would also get the opportunity to actually witness cherry blossoms blooming in the city. Cherry blossom grows in very few places in this country. The fact that last year there was an exchange between the government of Meghalaya with the government of Japan, the fact that no less than the ambassador of Japan, had visited our Cherry Blossom Festival last year. All these point to the growth of the festival and its acceptance on a global scale. See, you can't, tourism is something else, and where local culture is concerned, tribal culture is concerned, please bear in mind that it is festivals like these that have afforded local tribal musicians with a platform. People who took music as just a pastime and a hobby are now being paid and are now earning. So that's the growth story. It is in tune with our policy to promote high value, low volume tourism. High value, low volume. People with better spending capacity, whereas the numbers will be less. Now, we certainly prefer quality over quantity, which is why we have announced a series of projects, including new 5-star hotels in Omiam and Sora. Why? Because we would like to attract people with huge spending capacity rather than people who would bring their own kettles and pans and plates and having lunch on the roadside.